if you're a human watching this, not an AI, of course, then most likely we share something very much in common, which is the desire to bond on a deep emotional level, as well as having or experiencing a harmonious relationships with people we genuinely care and love and want to spend time with, right? But a lot of times, ironically, it's kind of like we are pushing the very things away that we want, and we feel very much in confusion. We feel suffocated because we couldn't figure how to do relationships without getting hurt. And here's the thing though, so throughout my own personal journey, as well as witnessing many of my beloved clients' journey, this word, T-R-U-S-T, trust, is extremely important, but often neglected. And so I've been pondering and wondering, how do we navigate our relationships without trust? It's impossible. It's impossible. So TRUST, I actually made a little abbreviation to it as blockages that block us from leaning forward to form the trust bond with one another, especially for highly sensitive people, because we tend to just want to like hold back and feeling too much, etc., right? So trust, T, thinking too much and complicating things, block one. R, running away or hiding away from our intuitive feelings or knowings, okay? Block three, U, we use mind games to want to protect ourselves, our egos, or manipulate or even control the situation. S, staying doubtful due to the past trauma that we feel hurt, we feel victimized in some way. And then the last one, the last T, is we just simply trying too hard to do all of the above. Trying too hard. So anyway, guys, I have a free webinar coming up, free to attend webinar. It's called the Simplay, Simple and Playful. And I feel called to navigate what will actually help all of us to stretch out of our comfort zone, but in a sacred connection with ourselves and with each other, so we are able to start generating that trust bond with ourselves and with other people. I think this is something we really want to master throughout this lifetime if we want to feel peaceful in any relationship. So guys, feel free to check out the link below, and I'm looking forward to navigate and play with you. Have a beautiful day, guys. Bye.